Introduction xiii. Glossary. Some terminology. xiii. Prophets named in the Quran. 22. 1 Al-Fatiha, the opening one. 2 Al-Baqarah, the cow. 5. 3 Al-Imran, the family of Imran. 87. 4 An-Nisa, the women. 129. 5 Al-Ma'idah, the heavenly system of sustenance. 171. 6 Al-Anam, the cattle. 203. 7 Al-Araf, the heights of discernment. 237.
8 Al-Anfal, the spoils of war. 277. 9 At-Tawbah, the repentance. 293. 10 Yunus, Jonah. 323. 11 Hud, Hud. 345. 12 Yusuf, Joseph. 367. 13 Arrad, the thunder. 389. 14 Ibrahim, Abraham. 399. 15 Al-Hijr, the valley of rocks. 411. 16 An-Nahl, the bee. 423. 17 Al-Ashra, the night journey. 447. 18 Al-Kahf, the cave. 467. 19 Maryam, Mary. 487. 20 Taha, the ideal prophet. 501. 21 Al-Anbiya, the prophets. 521. 22 Al-Hajj, the annual convention pilgrimage. 539. 23 Al-Mu'minun, the believers. 555. 24 An-Nur, the light. 571. 25 Al-Furqan, the criterion. 587. 26 Ash-Shu'ara, the poets. 599. 27 An-Naml, the valley of An-Naml. 623. 28 Al-Qasas, the narration. 639. 29 Al-Ankabut, the spider. 657. 30 Ar-Rum, the Romans. 671. 31 Luqman, Lokaman. 683. 32 As-Sajda, adoration. 691. 33 Al-Ahzab, the confederates. 697. 34 Saba, Sheba. 713. 35 Al-Fatir, the originator. 725. 36 Yasin, O human being. 735. 37 As-Safat, soldiers in rank. 747. 38 Sa'd, full of truth. 765. 39 Az-Zumar, the communities. 777. 40 Al-Mu'min, the believer. 793. 41 Fusilat, a book clearly spelled out. 809. 42 Ash-Shura, mutual consultation. 821. 43 Az-Zakra'af, ornaments of gold. 833. 44 Ad-Dukhan, the smoke. 847. 45 Al-Jadiyah, kneeling down. 855. 46 Al-Aqaf, the sand dunes. 863. 47 Muhammad, Muhammad. 871. 48 Al-Fath, victory. 879. 49 Al-Hujurat, the private apartments. 887. 50 Qaf, Qaf. 893. 51 Az-Zariyat, those who spread the divine word. 899. 52 At-Tur, Mount Sinai. 907. 53 An-Najm, the star. 913. 54 Al-Qamar, the full moon. 921. 55 Ar-Rahman, the beneficent. 927. 56 Al-Waqi'ah, the inevitable episode. 937. 57 Al-Hayd, iron. 947. 58 Al-Mujadilah, the pleading 955. 59 Al-Hashr, the gathering 961. 60 Al-Mumtahina, the lady under oath 967. 61 As-Saf, the rank 971. 62 Al-Jamu'ah, the congregation 975. 63 Al-Munafiqun, the hypocrites 979. 64 At-Tagabun, the ultimate loss and gain 983. 65 At-Talaq, divorce 987. 66 At-Tarim, prohibition 991. 67 Al-Mulk, the supreme kingdom 995. 68 Al-Kalam, the pen 1001. 69 Al-Hakta, the inevitable reality 1007. 70 Al-Ma'arij, the stairways of ascent 1013. 71 Noah 1019. 72 Al-Jinn, the unseen beings 1023. 73 Al-Muzammil, the great caravan leader 1029. 74 Al-Mudaththir, founder of the benevolent order 1033. 75 Al-Qiyamah, the resurrection 1041. 76 Ad-Dahr, the time 1047. 77 Al-Mursalate, the messages sent forth 1053. 78 An-Naba, the news 1059. 79 An-Nazi Aat, those who dive 1065. 80 Abeza, someone frowned 1071. 81 At-Takwir, the folding up 1077. 82 Al-Infitar, the shattering 1081. 83 At-Tatfif, dealing in fraud 1085. 84 Al-Inshiqaq, the sundering 1091. 85 Al-Buruj, the great constellations 1095. 86 At-Tariq, the brightest star 1099. 87 Al-Alah, the most high 1103. 88 Al-Ghashiyah, the great covering 1107. 89 Al-Fajr, the daybreak 1111. 90 Al-Balad, the town 1115. 91 Ash-Shams, the sun 1119. 92 Al-Layl, the night 1121. 93 Ad-Duha, the daylight 1125. 94 Ash-Sharh, the expansion 1127. 95 At-Teen, the fig 1129. 96 Al-Alaq, the zygote 1131. 97 Al-Qadr, the majesty 1135. 98 Al-Bayinat, the clear evidence 1137. 99 Az-Zilzal, the quake 1139. 100 Al-Adiyat, the gallopers 1141. 101 Al-Qari'ah, the catastrophe 1143. 102 At-Takathur, the relentless greed 1145. 103 Al-Asr, time that flies 1147. 104 Al-Humaza, the slanderer 1149. 105 Al-Fil, the elephant 1151. 106 Quraysh, the tribe of Quraysh 1153. 107 Al-Ma'un, the spring of sustenance 1155. 108 Al-Kothar, the abundant good 1157. 100.